What if you could turn a simple spreadsheet into a powerful financial advisor? Introducing the AI Portfolio Analyzer, powered by MCP. It's built for one purpose: to analyze your investment portfolio with AI-driven insights straight from your Google Sheets. Here's a typical client portfolio: the stocks you own, your buy price, your quantities, all data you already have. Hidden within are valuable insights just waiting to surface. Simply grab the Google Sheet ID, drop it into the analyzer, and hit the button. Our AI gets to work instantly. In moments, your analysis is ready. The MCP-based AI agents fetch real-time stock prices, calculate your current value, and show your net profit or loss. Then it goes deeper, offering AI-crafted advice inspired by legendary investors, along with quick summaries of trending news for each stock. All that powerful data delivered into the document. That's the power of a custom AI agent built for your needs. Contact us today to build yours.